Hi everybody, this is Doug at Jammin J Auto in Tyler in St. Louis, Missouri. I want to give you a recommended precaution here for the coronavirus. Just so you know, there's a thing inside your dashboard called a cabin air filter. A lot of times we take these things out and we find lost children, candy, cough drops, squirrels, nuts, all kinds of stuff in there. Anyway, this is a very, very dirty one. And this is what they're supposed to look like when they're new. They're actually white and clean. So one of the things that we have a company called BG that they make a product called Fresh, and it's actually a two-part kit. This is a full synthetic oil that we put in your AC compressor, which helps it run smoother and quieter and actually helps the temperature drop inside on a good hot day. But the other thing that comes in there is the Fresh, and this is a kills bacteria. So what you can do with this stuff is you actually spray it inside the vents. And then what I'm going to do is turn on the blower on this thing, and with it on, recirculate on the dashboard. I'm going to get up underneath here and I'm going to spray this up inside the venting system on this car, and then the vents are actually going to pull this spray up in there and help disinfect this all these ductworks that your air comes out with in the summer, and it gives you a nice fresh smell. So the only thing I do know about this stuff is, for sure, it will not give you the coronavirus, but it may help you avoid it.